did send that, I was like, really? Okay, my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy for those who don't know me, and today we're gonna do a quick little unboxing, even though I already unboxed these two boxes here, and I'm so excited to tell you more about it. Pixi has put me in their PR list, which I'm so grateful. Boxes to review on the products, if I like it, if I don't like it, which I've been quite liking it as well. You guys have seen on my Instagram, I do have mini videos for these two boxes that came in. I used some of their products, but I'm willing to try them on in the future, and I did try their mask as well. So what I'm gonna be showing you guys is two, because those are the only two boxes that I have gotten. I just got accepted like probably I would say like 2 months ago. If you guys want to see these two unboxings, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the first box that came in, and I was so excited whenever it came in, because I was like, they were knocking on my door and I was like, oh, I got a package, like I didn't order anything. So this little box came in, the mailman came and dropped it off, and it says Pixi #Pixi love. So whenever this package came in, I was like so happy and screaming. Here right now, this is how the box looks. So it's pretty huge, and I'm holding it like all the way in the back. But this is a really beautiful packaging that they came out with, and I was like so grateful when the products came in the box, because I was like, oh, does that mean I'm on their PR list? I was so shocked, you guys. And the first palette that really called my name, and it was kind of cracky, even though it's still cracked and I have not even fixed it. But I don't want to put alcohol, because whenever I put alcohol, my skin gets really irritated. I have noticed that whenever I try to fix past highlight, whenever it was broken, I fixed it with alcohol, and whenever I put the alcohol into my skin, it was irritating my skin, and when it was getting red, see it, it's pretty crushed here. Like, I don't want to open the palette, but the colors are so beautiful. Like, if you are that kind of natural palette girl, this is such a great palette for you, because not only does it have natural looks over here, which you can wear every day, but if you're going to a party or stuff like that, you can also wear these at the bottom if you want to go a little bit more dramatic. Which this one right here, it has like a pretty brown glittery shade with green a little bit. It's so cute. Palette, that one was called Natural, and then this one is called Reflex Light by Pixi. And then this palette, you guys, this is such a really gorgeous palette. I'm not even kidding you guys. Like, the shades, they're so shimmery, so if you want to go with a shimmery look and stuff like that, this is so pretty. You can even use this as a highlight. They're just so beautiful. Like, yes. I have some brushes by Pixi. I have not used these brushes at all. They're like brand new. I did open them. They're blending the outer corner of your eyeshadow, or you can just put highlight in the inner corner of your eye, and then this one you can just buffer it with. So these brushes do come in handy whenever you're like traveling. There's such a cute packaging from Pixi, and I'm so grateful because I can use these brushes whenever I'm traveling. The whole box, you guys, this is the whole box. So that was the first box that I did receive from them, and this was huge. I'm not even kidding you. Like, this is so huge, you guys. And I did show this box on Instagram. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll leave it in the description down below. That way you can go and check it out if you guys want to see how I did a skincare for that. And my skin looks so good, so glowy, so flawless, everything. And over here it says, love the skin you're in, and then a huge old heart. So what it comes in here, you guys, you guys are gonna be shooken. Like, I can't even fit in here. But I'm just gonna show you this really quick. So this is a huge box, you guys, that they sent, and I was so happy whenever they send this box, because like I love taking care of my skin. I love how Pixi sends literally like the products so you can try them on, review them, and then promote them to the people that actually want to know more about the product and how it works and stuff like that, which I was so excited whenever I got this, because I'm like a freak to skincare. Having a hard time getting this thing out was the detoxiEye patches. These, they come 60, but of course it's a pair, so 60 patches for each eye, so you have 30. So well, you guys, this is absolutely amazing, like, and it doesn't even smell like anything. Like, I tried to smell it last time on my video, and it also comes with a little spatula here, which you can grab them and stuff like that, but it does not have a smell to them. And what it comes in here are the little patches. I don't want to throw the little water that's in there, but those are the patches, and the patches are like, they have a little bit of glitter on them. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're absolutely gorgeous. Like, I was like, ah, those patches have glitter shimmery in there. But, and if you guys want to know the price and stuff like that, I will leave it also in the description down below, so you guys can go check them out. Got the Glow Mod mask, and this is the glow mask that I used on my Instagram video. If you guys have seen it, this is the glow mask that I have used in that video on Instagram. You guys, I am in love with this. This is a 15-minute facial mask, and it's supposed to pore, it says here, pore cleaning, glow revealing mask. So it's supposed to make your face glowy. Whenever I use this product, I was like so in love with it. Whenever I took off the mask and everything, my skin was so glowy and my pores were absolutely clean. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We have the Peel and Polish mask by Pixi Skin Treats. So this is a resurfacing concentrated mask. So this is supposed to be helping you with radiance, exfoliate and polish, lifting away dead skin cells to reveal more smooth, radiant, and healthy complexion. So you can pretty much use this as well. It has here the descriptions where you can use them at night or in the morning. That's such a convenient mask, which you can use in the morning or night. It doesn't even tell you you can like use it only for nighttime. You know how sun masks do say that, but this one doesn't say that. So I'm so happy to try this. And plus, this is, it says here also use 2 to 3 times per week as needed. So they also sent me 3 masks as well, which these are the Glow Glycolic Boost mask. So I'm so excited to try these because my skin sometimes it gets really dry, it says, and I'm so excited to try. It's supposed to instant brightening and hydrating effect sheet mask. Serum of concentrated of acid brightens, and herbal extract helps to improve, maintain skin healthy, and promoting more luminous skin. Ooh, I love whenever it says luminous skin, because that's supposed to help with how your skin is going to be glowy and hydrated. Whenever I need a mask, I already know what kind of box I'm going to be taking. This huge old box by Pixi. So over here we got a last thing, well, not a last thing. I did get a towel, but I used it last on my video, so I did put it in wash, so it's not gonna be here in this video because it's drying right now. And the T-Zone Peel Off Mask. So this is how it looks. This is the Peel Off T-Zone Mask, which is supposed to helps with refreshing and refine. So a good mask to use if you want to use it as well. So this is also used 1 to 2 times a week as needed. Apply it thick and even layer to the T-zone only. So this is only for the T-zone. So this is the only for here. Okay, so for pores and stuff like that. This is the whole video, and I hope that you guys did enjoy this unboxing with me. And I just want to say a huge thank you to Pixi by Peltra for sending me these Products, and I'm so grateful to be in their PR list. Like, this is actually the first company that have accepted me as their PR list, so I can't wait to discuss more of their products in my future YouTube videos and also on my Instagram and in my social media. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Pixi for giving me this opportunity. See you in my next video, you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the little bell so you can get notified every single time I upload, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.